Every single YouTuber, no matter how big or small, faces the same painful problem: coming up with content ideas. And this is the terrible truth of a content creator. After struggling for 2 whole months trying to figure out what to make next, I had a realization. Why not make a video that actually solves this problem? So today, I'm not just sharing random tricks like Google Trends or ChatGPT. I'm going to show you top 5 powerful tools that give you real, data-backed video ideas and help you rank #1 using smart AI SEO features. And trust me, the last one is my personal favorite. It's an absolute game changer. On the number 5, we have TubeSpanner. TubeSpanner is an all-in-one toolkit for YouTubers, and honestly, I was blown away by what it can do. It helps you generate video titles, viral content ideas, high-performing scripts, and even SEO-optimized descriptions all in one place. Just head over to the TubeSpanner website. All tools, websites, link are in the description. Log in with your preferred Google account, and you'll land on a powerful dashboard packed with AI tools. Click on the Create button, and you'll see options to generate video titles, thumbnails, scripts, and more. All are completely free. Let's say I want video ideas. Just enter a topic or keyword relevant to your audience, click Suggest Video Ideas, and boom! You get viral, search-based ideas in seconds. And no, these aren't your average Google Trends or generic ChatGPT results. TubeSpanner's algorithm is powerful, and from personal experience, the results are way more targeted and useful. You can even take those ideas and instantly generate a ready-to-record script or optimize titles with high-ranking keywords. But wait, here's the catch. If you're using the wrong keywords, even the best scripts won't rank. And that's where the next tool comes in, a hidden gem for discovering trending, high search volume keywords that new YouTubers can actually compete with, called Keyword Tool Dominator. You've probably heard a million times that keywords matter, but how do you actually find the right ones that people are searching for today? A free tool that doesn't just rely on Google or YouTube autocomplete like everyone else. It digs deep into long-tail keywords, trending searches, and even questions people are asking in real time. Just head over to the website and select YouTube as your platform, since we're focusing on growing your channel. Now, in the search bar, type any topic. For example, I'll type AI Shorts as an example. You can also choose your target country and language, or leave them at default. Hit the enter button, and in just seconds, you'll get a list of powerful, highly ranked keyword ideas. You can even check individual keyword scores to see how strong each one is. And yes, you can download all of them with a single click. That's how you find the keywords that actually help you rank instead of guessing or following outdated trends. But what if you didn't have to use separate tools for different tasks like content idea generation, tags, titles, thumbnails, scripts, image creation, SEO, and more? There's one tool at number 3 on our list that covers almost everything. It's called GravityWrite. GravityWrite is an underrated gem for YouTube creators. If you ever struggle with coming up with the perfect title or thumbnail idea that actually makes people click, GravityWrite is here to help. Just go to the GravityWrite website, click on Start for Free, and sign up with your ID. It's a completely free tool, so you're free to explore it. Submit your basic details, and you'll see different tool options. Scroll down to the YouTube Tools section, click on View All, and you'll find a whole bundle of tools. From shorts or reels creators to hook and intro makers, almost everything is available. I want some title and thumbnail ideas for my video, so I just enter the keyword here and click Create Content. Within seconds, it gives us viral title ideas and even thumbnail suggestions. So definitely check out GravityWrite. It's an all-in-one pack. So by now, you've got powerful tools to generate ideas, write scripts, even create thumbnails with ease. But let's step outside of YouTube for a second. Because if you're a content creator with a business, maybe you're selling services, running a local shop, or just trying to drive more traffic to your website, your YouTube videos should do more than just get views. That's where this next tool comes in. And that's where Localo comes in, our number 2 tool on the list. Localo is a powerful yet simple local SEO tool designed to help your business profile rank better on Google so your site reaches more people. If you have a local business as well as a YouTube channel, Localo helps you optimize your Google business profile in just a few simple steps, powered by AI. It shows you exactly what's wrong, how to fix it, and what keywords your profile should target to get more traffic. Here's how it works. Just go to localo.com, create a free account, and connect your Google business profile. Localo will instantly audit your presence, showing you what's missing, like reviews, keywords, or business info, and it gives you a step-by-step SEO plan to improve your ranking. The cool part? You don't need to be a local SEO expert. Localo breaks down everything into beginner-friendly tasks, so even creators who've never touched SEO can improve their GBP rankings. So if you're expanding beyond just YouTube and building your local presence, Localo is like having your own SEO coach on the side. So whether you're a YouTuber, content creator, or marketer, Localo alone gives you the power to rank on Google. So once your website or business is all set up and ranking locally with Localo, what's next? You still need one thing to grow fast: powerful content ideas, or the highly clustered audience content that people are actually searching for right now. Because without the right video idea, even the best SEO won't help. And that's exactly why Answer Socrates is my #1 pick. And I know most of you have probably never even heard of it, but trust me, it's like finding hidden gold in the content creator mind. Let me show you why. Most new YouTubers don't fully understand SEO for YouTube. Things like crafting high SEO titles, using high search volume keywords, and ranking videos at the top of YouTube search. Answer Socrates solves that problem instantly. It shows you exactly what people are searching for in real time. No guessing, no fluff, just highly searched questions, keywords, and titles based on your topic. Go to answersocrates.com and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see a variety of powerful tools. Let me show you my favorite features. I want to generate a title for my YouTube video. Let's say I want to create a title for a video on best AI tools. Just type your topic, hit search, and boom, it gives you a list of viral-worthy titles instantly. There are options like popular titles, clickbait titles, even SEO-rich titles, the kind of titles you'll see on trending videos. Now let's check another tool, Keyword Generator. Just write the topic on which you want the keywords, select country, then your desired language, and hit search. Then Answer Socrates gives you the analytics of your keyword or topic. It shows you how much the topic is in demand. You can see the Google Trends search percentage. Here you can see the questions asked by your audience. And if we scroll downward, we can see top of funnel and bottom of funnel keywords. Another powerful tool they offer is the DeepSeek SEO research feature. It uses its own search engine to find current trending keywords based on your topic. And I've personally found some of my best ideas through it. If you want to try it out, use my exclusive code ERIC10 at checkout for a special discount. The link and code are both in the description below. So whether you're a YouTuber, blogger, or just getting started, the Answer Socrates affiliate program is a great way to earn passive income by sharing a tool you actually believe in. This platform is truly underrated, and I highly recommend you check it out if you're serious about ranking your videos and creating content that actually gets found. So there you have it. 5 insanely powerful tools that every YouTuber should be using in 2025. Whether you're stuck on content ideas, struggling with SEO, or just want to level up your entire content game, these tools have got your back. If you found even one tool helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And hey, if you want to see how I personally use these tools step by step, let me know in the comments. I might just turn that into my next video. All the links are in the description, including any free trials or special codes I've mentioned, so don't forget to check them out. Subscribe if you haven't already, because we've got more game-changing content coming your way real soon. Thanks for watching.
Want you, but